Just got through pouring some walls here. Now we're pouring a little pad here. It's just for a little cattle barn. This is what they came up with to make it worth delivering without getting hit with a small load charge. Not only do I know the place, but they're actually relatives of mine. Just around the corner from my house. Never know where you're going to end up with day to day. Here in small town USA. Had to wait for his dad to get out of the way so we could continue pouring. Yeah, I got it reversed right now. Am I getting up close to the materials? Yeah. Yeah, they got a little tight in here, so get close to some of the materials, so they want me to stop right here. Which I was already doing anyway, but getting close to getting done with this little spot here. There's only 5 yards I brought out, but we used a little bit on some poured walls here. Those are in a different video. That was a slower pour, so I just did that in a short. Want me to hold up there, Emil? So do you want me to hold up? Okay. I want to speed her off and get caught up before we finish her out, I guess. I think it'd take much more to finish it though, but I'm going to cut her off right here. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you all have a great day. Get out there and pour some concrete.